就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey everyone, it's time for another Hakka song on Icrt. I am Joseph Lin, and now we have a very young talent who is only 18 years old this year. Her name is Chen Mengqiao. She actually won a lot of awards already, and at 16, she released her first album called Road of a Singer. And the song you're hearing is called Courageous, or Yonghi in Hakka, obviously describing a teenager to have that courage to go on the journey that they strive for and must be responsible for their actions. 今天要介绍这首歌曲是来自一位才刚满18岁的客家歌手陈梦乔，非常年轻哦。可是他从6岁就开始接触表演，而这10几年呢，在这个追求歌手梦的路程也很有成绩。这首歌叫做《有勇气》，也就是有勇气，当然就是要来描述这位小女孩呢，在追求她的梦想一定要有勇气哦。
当爱都上天，当爱都伤心，打败都上表姐爱用嘅天。记得爱嘅名，唔系爱情感，踏上前梦嘅路。爱唔知爱了怎样办，并且怎样办，会唔会反走心中嘅挣扎？眼眉目里陈述，系唔系得多出很放肆，一直故事爱唔系嘟嘟，做地冇资本，爱较多力量，看较清楚。唔愛望中，愛會緊要勇氣，緊要勇氣，緊要勇氣。按鈕分唔孤身自己堅持，公平體，愛唔願意。唔管天公亦會係馬改天意，會有打擊，還係有掉運氣。當上天，當愛都傷心，打敗都上表姐愛用嘅天，唔記得愛嘅名，唔係愛情感，踏上前夢嘅路。愛唔知愛了怎樣辦，並且怎樣辦，會唔會反走心中嘅掙扎？愛面目的陳述。
What a great song of encouragement. It's called Courageous, or Yu Yong Hee, and how we should face everything in life just like this artist, Chen Mengqiao. Hope you enjoyed that inspirational song on ICRT. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.